In this section, we'll look at the benefit of outgoing links from your website. Now, most people know that for good SEO, you want to try and attract good quality, relevant links to your website, and this will help with the SEO. What most people do not realize is that providing you just do it in a sort of limited way, if you have a couple of links from your website to other high quality websites that are relevant to what you do, then this can also help your SEO. So in the example given there in bullet 3, for instance, if you are an electrician in Sydney, then if you can locate a well-respected organization in Sydney for electricians, that's relevant to you and well-respected, then if you put a link from your site to their website, you'll gain some authority for your page by linking to another relevant high authority page. Do make sure these are follow links so that Google can follow the link from your website, in this case to the Sydney-based website relating to electricians. Don't have too many of these because, as I say, they only work if they're follow links, and if they're follow links, to some extent the link juice is flowing from your website to their website. Going back to a previous chapter when we talked about bad neighborhoods, periodically check all your outgoing links just to make sure that they're going to where you thought they went and you didn't accidentally link to a bad neighborhood. Maybe you typed in the wrong address or something like that. So as I say, just periodically check all your outgoing links. Also, do remember, if you're linking to websites and there's no particular SEO value from linking to that website, then in that case mark that link as a no follow link. That way you keep your link juice intact.